Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore how to use teamwork.com for comprehensive competitive analysis in 2025. Our first step is to set up your project. On the homepage, click on Create Project and add the name of your competitor. This helps us to organize information and insights about our competitors in a structured manner. Next, you'll want to add tasks for each aspect of the analysis you want to conduct. Think along the lines of analyze competitors' marketing strategies, study their product features, and so forth. This is a crucial step because it helps us break down our competitive analysis into manageable parts, aiding our understanding and focus. Now that we've done that, let's explore the Messages feature. Here, you can share insights, ideas, or findings with your team. Essentially, it's a collaborative space for brainstorming and discussion. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone involved in the project is on the same page and can contribute their unique perspectives. Our final step is to review and track progress. Use the Gantt chart or task list feature to monitor the status of tasks and ensure they're completed on time. This helps us because it allows us to maintain momentum in our analysis and avoid any delays or bottlenecks. That's it. You're now ready to leverage teamwork.com for competitive analysis. Remember, the key to a successful competitive analysis lies in thorough research, consistent tracking, and effective collaboration. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.